Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and exciting. I'm Emily.
And hello, everyone. I am Paul. Good morning, Emily, or good afternoon, or good evening.
Wow, Paul, you are very energetic today. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you too. Why are you so happy?
I am happy because today is a special day.
Is it your birthday?
No, it is not my birthday. Today is special because we are making a big episode, a mega episode.
That is right. You remembered. Today is our special mega episode. We usually talk for 10 minutes, but today we talk about everything.
Everything? That is a lot.
Yes, today our topic is a day in English. We will guide you from the morning when you wake up to the night when you go to sleep.
Wow, all day in English? That sounds difficult, Emily. My brain will be tired.
No, Paul, it is not difficult if you do it step by step. We will show you how to live in English. Are you ready?
I am ready, but first,
First,
the button. Everyone, please click the like button. It is very important. Click, click, click.
yes, thank you, Paul. Please subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe, you become part of our family.
The Mr. English family. I like that. Okay, let's start.
Step 1, the morning. Paul, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
I sleep.
No, after you sleep, when the alarm goes beep, beep, beep.
Oh, the alarm. I hate the alarm. I hit the button. Bam, and I sleep again.
That is called hitting the snooze button. Snooze, S-N-O-O-Z-E.
Snooze. Yes, I snooze. Is that good English practice?
Not really. Step 1 is wake up and welcome the day in English.
Welcome the day? Do I say hello to the sun?
Yes, exactly. Open your eyes, don't touch your phone, don't look at Instagram, just think in English. Think, good morning, I am awake.
I am awake. That is easy.
Then stretch your body, arms up, and say, I am ready for a great day.
Okay, I stretch. Ooh, my back. And I say, I am ready for a great day. But Emily, what if I am tired?
If you are tired, be honest. Say, I am tired, but I am awake.
I am tired, but I need coffee.
Perfect! You are thinking in English sentences. Now, get out of bed. What is next?
I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
Excellent! This is a great time for vocabulary. Look in the mirror. What do you see?
I see Paul. I see a sleepy face.
Describe your face. Describe the action. Say out loud, I am washing my face. The water is warm. The soap smells good.
Out loud? In the bathroom?
Yes, the bathroom has good acoustics. It's like a studio.
Okay. I am brushing my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. My teeth are white.
Very good. Present continuous tense. I am brushing. You are doing it now.
I am looking in the mirror. I am handsome.
Yes, you are, Paul. Confidence is key. Now you're clean, you're awake. What is next?
Breakfast. I love breakfast. I am hungry.
Me too. Breakfast is my favorite meal. How do we do breakfast in English?
I eat toast. I drink coffee.
Don't just eat, describe the experience. Use your senses.
My senses, like smell and taste?
Yes. For example, the coffee smells strong. The toast is crunchy.
Crunchy. That's a nice word. Crunchy. Crunchy. Like a noise in my mouth.
Exactly. The eggs are hot. The juice is sweet. When you describe your food, you learn adjectives.
Adjectives. Describing words. Okay. My coffee is hot and black. My toast is brown and crunchy.
Perfect. And you can plan your day while you eat. Ask yourself, what is my plan today?
In English?
Yes, think, today I go to work, I have a meeting at 10 o'clock, I need to call my mother.
Today, I go to the supermarket. I need milk. Wow, this prepares my brain.
It warms up your brain, like warming up your muscles at the gym.
My brain is warm. I am full of toast. Now I leave the house.
Step 2, the commute. Going to work or school. Paul, do you drive?
No, I take the bus. Sometimes the train.
The bus is a fantastic classroom.
A classroom. It's noisy. People are pushing. It smells funny.
That is true, but you have time. You have maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Do not waste this time.
What should I do? Read a book?
You can read, but listening is better on the bus. Put on your headphones.
Headphones on. Check.
Listen to a podcast, maybe Mr. English Channel.
Of course, the best channel.
Or listen to English music, but here is the secret trick.
A secret trick? Tell me.
Shadowing. Shadowing like a shadow on the ground? No, shadowing means you repeat what you hear immediately, quietly.
Quietly, because people on the bus will look at me.
Yes, whisper. If the podcast says, hello everyone, you whisper, hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
If the song says, I love you baby, you whisper, I love you baby.
I love you, baby. Okay, this helps my mouth.
Yes, it helps your pronunciation and your speed.
I like this. Shadowing. I am a ninja of English.
Yes, an English ninja. And look out the window. What do you see?
I see the street, cars, a dog.
Play a game, the I Spy game.
I know this game. I spy with my little eye something red.
A red car.
Yes, I spy something green.
A tree?
No, a lady with a green hat.
Oh, nice. Do this in your head. Name everything you see. Traffic light, bus stop, tall building, blue sky.
This keeps my brain active. I don't sleep on the bus.
Exactly. You arrive at work or school and your brain is already 100% English.
I feel ready. I am off the bus. I am walking to my office.
Good job, Paul. You survived the morning.
I did. Morning is done. But Emily, the day is long. What about work? What about lunch? What about the evening?
Those are big questions. Work, social life, and evening relaxation.
Can we talk about that too?
Of course, but this script is getting long. We need to take a small break.
A break? Like a coffee break?
A very short break. Get some water, stretch your legs.
Okay. Everyone, stretch, drink water.
And when we come back, we will talk about part 2, the afternoon and the evening.
The best part of the day.
See you in 1 minute.
Don't go away. Stay tuned.
Welcome back. We are still here. I am Emily.
And I am still Paul. I drank my water. I am ready for part 2.
Great. In part 1, we talked about the morning, waking up, bathroom, breakfast, and the bus.
Yes, I am clean, I am full, and I shadowed a podcast on the bus. Now I am at work or school.
Step 3, the daily life. At work, you are busy, but you can still learn English.
But Emily, my boss speaks my language. My colleagues speak my language. We don't speak English at work.
That is okay. You can change your environment.
Change my environment? Move my desk?
No. Look at your computer. Look at your phone. What language are they in?
Ah, they are in my language.
Change them to English.
Change my phone to English? That is scary. What if I delete something?
You won't delete anything. You know the icons, you know where the buttons are, But now you see the English words every day. Settings, display, notifications, sent, inbox.
Ah, passive learning. I see the words 100 times a day.
Yes. And sticking notes.
Sticky notes, the yellow paper squares?
Yes. Write English words on them, stick them on your desk.
Okay, I write stapler and stick it on the stapler.
I write deadline and stick it on my calendar.
I write don't forget lunch and stick it on my computer.
Good one. Also, try to think about your tasks in English.
My tasks. Okay, instead of thinking in my language, I think I need to send an email.
I need to print this document. I am going to a meeting. Simple sentences.
Okay, work is finished. It is 5 p.m. Freedom.
Freedom! Step 4. The evening and relaxation. You are tired. You want to relax.
Yes, I want to sit on the sofa and do nothing.
You can sit on the sofa, but let's make your entertainment English.
We talked about movies before, watching movies.
Yes, but let's talk about something else. Hobbies. Paul, what is your hobby?
I like cooking and I like video games.
Perfect. Do your hobbies in English.
Cooking in English?
Yes, find a recipe in English, a YouTube video or blog, how to make spaghetti.
Chop the onions, boil the water.
Exactly. Follow instructions in English. If you make a mistake, maybe the food tastes bad, but you learn.
Add salt. Oh no, I added sugar.
That is a lesson you will remember. And video games?
Video games are great. Many games are in English.
Yes, RPGs, story games. Read the dialogue. Listen to the characters. Don't skip the story.
Sometimes I skip. I just want to fight.
Don't skip. Read it. It's reading practice. It's fun reading.
Okay, no skipping. I will read the quest. Go to the mountain and find the dragon.
See? That's an imperative sentence. You're learning grammar from a dragon.
Learning from a dragon. Cool.
Now, it is late, dinner is finished, the dragon is dead, it is time for bed.
I'm sleepy. I put on my pajamas.
Step 5, the review. This is the most powerful tip.
The most powerful? Wow, what is it?
Before you sleep, keep a journal, a diary.
A diary? Dear diary, today I saw a cat.
Yes, but keep it simple. It does not need to be a long story, just 3 sentences.
Okay, 3 sentences.
Write about your day. What did I do? What did I learn? What made me happy?
Okay, let me try. I went to work and I ate a sandwich. I learned the word crunchy. I was happy because I talked to Emily.
Oh, Paul, that is so sweet. Perfect example. Writing connects your hand and your brain.
And it helps me remember.
Yes, and when you close your eyes,
I dream in English?
maybe, but try to think your last thoughts in English. Good night, world. Thank you for this day.
Good night, world. I am tired. I am happy.
And that's it. That's a full day in English.
Wow, it sounds like a lot, but it's actually just small things.
Exactly, Paul. Small changes, big results. You don't need to live in London or New York. You can build an English world in your own house.
In my bathroom, on the bus, in my kitchen.
Yes, it's about habit, routine, consistency.
Consistency, doing it every day.
Yes. So, listeners, we have a challenge for you, a mega challenge.
Ooh, a challenge. I like challenges.
Try this routine for 1 week. Just 1 week.
7 days. Wake up in English, bus in English, phone in English, 3 sentences at night.
Yes. And tell us in the comments, how do you feel? Is it hard? Is it fun? We want to know.
Please write to us.
We really hope this script, this mega episode, helps you. Learning a language is a journey.
A long journey, but we are walking with you.
Yes, we are. Thank you for listening to this long episode. You are amazing students.
You are the best. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
and share with your grandma.
Share with everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening.
Goodbye, everyone. Speak English.
Bye. See you next time.